What if you could completely control a profitable piece of real estate and collect monthly cash flow without ever actually buying the property? This highly lucrative strategy is known as a lease option, and it allows you to rent a house, the exclusive legal right to purchase it later at a locked-in price. Instead of needing a massive down payment and a bank approval today, you simply pay the seller a small, non-refundable option fee to secure your future equity. While you are leasing the home, you have the ability to sublease it to a tenant for a higher monthly rate, which instantly creates passive cash flow in your pocket. If the local real estate market explodes and the house doubles in value, you still get to buy it for the original discounted price you negotiated years ago. This is an absolute lifesaver for motivated sellers who are struggling to find a traditional buyer but desperately need someone to cover their monthly mortgage payments right now. Because you are controlling the asset rather than officially owning it, you avoid all the expensive closing costs and massive property tax bills associated with a standard purchase. Let's break down the specific legal clauses you must include in your contract to ensure the seller cannot back out when it is finally time for you to buy the home.